Everyone, it's Wayne. I'm out in the woods here and getting ready to put up a licking stick. It's the Hodag system, and it is sweet. I've been checking it out, reading about it, studying, and I think it's going to do amazing things for the deer herd here. What I've done so far, I forgot my tripod back at the house, so I don't have that with me. So I'm holding the camera. I'm going to be popping in and out of it here, but I've got this. Hang on a second. I've got this bare spot. We're going to make it a little bit bigger so that they're sure to see it. And I'm going to use this little pine sapling over here as my licking branch. And we'll see how it goes. I'll check back with you. Okay. I think it's like 85, 86 degrees out here. It is hot, baby. Anyway, got this this piece here. This goes down on this base, as I'll show you. And then we bury the bottom of it. And your sapling goes down in here. And just get that step going. Yes, so here that is. And as you can see, I guess it's a spring-loaded thing, so that they're not going to tear that tear that sapling out of the ground right away, because that's no fun. And I'm going to trim down the bottom of that sapling, and I'll show it to you, and we'll get it put in. Okay, so I've got this little cedar sapling stripped down, and we're going to put it in the stand right here. Push it down real good and tight. That's not quite down far enough. Okay, now got to clear down to the bottom there. Give it more stability. And we've got these thumb screws here. It's pretty reminiscent of an old Christmas tree stand. So, start screwing these in. Okay, so here we go. Got the screws in it, set screws and thumb screws, and that goes on there. And our itty bitty Christmas tree goes down in there. Okay, so there it is. All set up. Now I got to camouflage it. I'm going to dig out around it more to make it look like an active scrape area. And then I put the treatment of deer juice on it. So, be right back with you. Okay, so that's what our scrape area looks like. Turn the camera a minute this way. Hope I don't make you dizzy. Good. There it is. Okay. That's the all-season scent. It's built by Hodag. And these dudes, they got it going on, I'm telling you. This is an amazing system. And what they say is that this will be self-perpetuating. Is that the word? I don't know. If this first set of business here, it's going to draw a deer to it. And it's going to start rubbing, and then another will come up, smell that one, then they're going to rub it, and then another one smells that one, they're going to come rub it, and it just builds and builds and builds until you got a whole herd over in here licking on this branch, or sapling in this case. So I'm going to set up a cam. I want to show you what else I got going on with this little trip out here. I use the, look at this Gerber Bear hatchet. And I come out here on the little Coleman mini bike today. Made it a lot faster to get out here. I enjoyed that. So anyway, I'll set this camera up and give you a look at what I got here, and I think you'll like it too. So anyway, get this licking stick set up for you. You're gonna love it. You'll be glad you did. Thanks. Bye now.